I'm at Beverly and St. Andrew's Place. SMG Auto at the Chevron station, and had a little work done on the Astro Van. I was going to do some of this myself, but I'm working right now. Finally got a couple bucks in my pocket, so decided to bring it in and have the idler arms put on, and got the bigger torsion keys in there. Replaced the fuel pump. Made sure to write the mileage on there. Got the leak fixed finally with the transfer case. That was nice. Finally get that done. And got the new shiny new idler arms on there. So listen, you got an Astro Van or any car and you're in the Hollywood area, come on down to SMG here. Talk to Irvin. Tell him Mike Z sent you. He's cool.